Welcome back to Car Reviews, but today, we're shifting gears from cars to one of the most powerful construction machines in the world. Meet the Zoomlion ZCC32000 Crawler Crane 2025, a mega machine built not just to lift heavy loads, but to redefine what's possible in modern engineering. The ZCC32000 is a crawler crane that stands as one of the largest and most capable in its class. Designed for lifting massive components in nuclear plants, bridges, and other heavy industrial structures, this crane is nothing short of a mechanical giant. Its bold presence, futuristic aesthetics, and sheer size make it a true engineering marvel. The 2025 model comes with several improvements in design, efficiency, and safety. From the outside, it's an absolute beast, finished in metallic gray with matte black accents, giving it a clean yet aggressive industrial look. The boom structure is incredibly long and strong, made from high-tensile steel and designed to extend across massive distances with incredible stability. Powering this monster is a high-performance hydraulic system combined with intelligent electronic controls. The ZCC32000 features a modular design, which makes it easier to transport and assemble at job sites, a huge plus when dealing with equipment of this scale. Its dual-boom design and superlift counterweight system give it a maximum lifting capacity of 3,200 tons. Yes, you heard that right, making it one of the strongest crawler cranes on the planet. Inside the operator cabin, the crane features a climate-controlled environment with ergonomic seating, high-resolution multi-screen displays, and advanced safety systems including 360-degree cameras, load monitoring, and emergency shutdown systems. Everything is designed to enhance safety, control, and precision. Zoomlion has also focused on improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions in the 2025 model, making it more environmentally conscious, a major concern for construction companies today. It also supports remote diagnostics and IoT integration, so operators and engineers can track performance and maintenance needs in real time. Now let's talk numbers. This machine doesn't come cheap. The estimated cost of the Zoomlion ZCC32000 Crawler Crane 2025 is in the range of 15 to 20 million United States dollars, depending on the configuration and accessories. But for large-scale construction projects, this investment pays off in terms of performance, safety, and time efficiency. In conclusion, the Zoomlion ZCC32000 is more than just a crane, it's a statement of modern engineering excellence. Whether you're lifting a reactor dome or constructing a mega bridge, this machine delivers performance you can rely on. It's not every day we feature something this massive on Car Reviews, but when we do, you know it's special. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more incredible machines, vehicles, and engineering marvels. Until next time, keep exploring the world of machines.